In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the item weight and package weight on a product page. If you're planning to move, ship, store, or simply compare products before buying, knowing the exact weight can be extremely helpful. A lot of people focus only on price, size, or appearance, but weight also matters. It can affect shipping costs, how easy something is to carry, and whether it's practical for your space or needs. The good news is that this information is usually easy to find once you know where to look. Start by opening the product page for the item you want to check. Make sure you're on the main page for that specific product so you can see all of its details. This is where the seller or platform typically lists key information such as dimensions, materials, and technical specs. Once you're on the product page, scroll down until you reach the specifications section. Depending on the website or device you're using, this section may be farther down the page, so keep scrolling steadily until you find it. On some pages, product details can be grouped under headings like specifications, product information, or technical details, but you're looking for the area that lists the item's core attributes. Inside the specifications section, look for both item weight and package weight. These two details are important because they do not always mean the same thing. Item weight usually refers to the product itself, without outer packaging. Package weight generally includes the box,